Welcome back. Spring has sprung. I'm sorry for the mess. It's a disaster area out here, but we have been going so hard through blizzards and windstorms, and I don't know, it was 92 degrees the other day. We've been here in 30 below weather, trying desperately to get to this moment to see if we could get some plants in the ground for this season, even just as a test. But so spring's here, things are popping up all over the place, and yeah, we'll have to do the cleanup and we'll have to do landscaping, but that comes, later as we can. We finally got rid of our scaffolding. The scaffolding is finally out of the garden. Thank God, I was so tired of being on the scaffolding. But it was great to have it. It helped us. Without it, we would have never been able to do it. So we started to put in some decorations. As you can see here, we have a few. There's a lot more coming. But so let me give you a tour of where we are this morning. We're starting to plant the cool crops, right? So like, for example, here, we're about to put in some beans. Our irrigation system's not even hooked up yet. The irrigation guy is going to come Monday to connect these to these. It's coming along. Down here is we call our lettuce station. Our friend the pig is watching. So we're going to be planting all different kinds of lettuce here, and also some carrots on the ends. Our apple tree is doing beautifully. So thank God that's doing very, very well. And inside of the planter, all around it, we're going to put parsley. In fact, it's in the 4 tree planters that we're going to put our herbs. It's nice usage of the space. Down here, we're putting in some kale, some broccoli, some cabbage. And we're just starting. I mean, we've only got the few little plants. And to be very sincere, I don't really know where they should go. Because we have never tested this garden, so I don't really have an idea for the sun and direction of the sun and all that. But we're going to do the best that we can, and it's just an experiment. But you know what? It's starting to look pretty nice. I'm hoping that we can make it even better. We don't have our flowers hanging from the top yet, or our strawberries or anything like that, but that's coming. But we do have stuff going. We have a nice water spigot here already, and the hose reel we're going to be installing. We have our fake stepping stones. These are actually quite cute. They look like little suns and things like that. But you have to imagine it full of color. It's not there yet. It's not even close to being there. But when we get it right, and it's really full of color, I hope it's going to be beautiful. But anyway, it's a big occasion. We have stuff going in the ground. I cannot believe that we made it, because I didn't think we would, and we shouldn't have, because it's been a struggle, and especially, we don't really know how to do it, so we had to kind of learn, But yeah, so we're going to put this stuff in the ground, and we're going to go out later and buy some more stuff, and we'll keep We'll keep following along, and I hope you keep enjoying. Ciao, ciao.